Hello students, welcome back to Banajwad Residential online classes. So I hope you are doing the sums and you are practicing the sums. Now today whatever the concept I am giving, that is very important for your theory exams, because in CET this we are writing within a fraction of second. So for CET no need to practice this method, but for theory it is very important. For part C, they will ask this question for 3 marks. Underline this. This is very important question and the concept is also very important. So concept means for this you have to make the practice of sums. So if possible take pen and paper and go on solving along with me. So I will give the guarantee will be perfect in within 2-3 sums. So shall we start the first step here. When you are writing a solution, here there are two methods. One is row operation and second one is column operation. I will explain the row operation. If you are perfect, then we will think about a column. For a row operation, the first step is for elementary row operation. We have to write A is equal to I into A. A is a given matrix. So on the left side, write down that matrix. 1, 2, minus 1, 1. And 1, 2, minus 2, 1 is equal to. On the right side, write down the matrix I. Yes, have you remembered? Already we know what are the types of a matrices and what is I. I is what? Unit matrix. So write down that unit matrix of order 2 by 2 or simply order 2. And this is just a presentation. There is a theory, but for your standard, for your syllabus, the proof is not necessary. Just go through the solution and keep A as it is. Now mark this, listen it carefully. I am giving you one simple hint. So observe that hint and I am giving you a simple trick here how to write. See the left hand side matrix, it is like this. That matrix we have to convert in the form of 1, 0, 0, 1. Remember, the left side matrix we have to convert in the form of 1, 0, 0, 1. And you know that this is nothing but identity matrix. And this conversion follows some steps. What are that steps? We have to move in this direction. We have to move in this direction. Then what is the direction? See like that. First we have to convert this element, that means the element present here, that we have to convert in the form of 1. Then move to the next. Here 0, we have to convert this element, whatever the element present in this place. See here what it is? Minus 2. Minus 2 we have to convert in the form of 0. Then we have to convert this number. Then we have to convert this number. And whatever the operation you are applying on left side, the same will be applied on right side. Then shall we move to the next one? See here, when you compare these two, what are that matrices? When you compare these two, observe here. When you compare these two, here already in this we have 1. That means no need to conversion. Then what is the next one? In place of minus 2, what we required? In place of minus 2, we required 0. Remember, in place of minus 2, we are requiring 0. And the operations are applied only for row. Why? Because here we are applying row operation. Understood? Now, I am explaining you how to convert minus 2 as a 0. So, minus 2 is present in which row then? Minus 2 is present in second row. So, write down that. Which one you are doing? Write down that first. I am writing R2 dash. The R2 dash tells you you are converting the second row. So, which one you are converting? You have to write that row first. You have to convert that row first. And after writing that, see here it is minus 2. To make it this as a 0, what we required? We required 2. And one more important thing, if you have a minus here, write down middle plus. That is one step. Mark it. If you want 0 here and if it is a minus, the operation contains plus. And next step, we have to make it 0 means we require 2. See here, I am writing 2. And take a pencil, write it slightly. So it is visible only for you. Understood? Take a pencil, write on 2 here. In front of 1, write on 2. 2 into 1. Why we are multiplying with 2? See, 2. When you multiply this with 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. That means first row is multiplied with 2. That is with R1. Understood? When you are making a 0, go for either addition or subtraction depending on the problem. Here if it is a minus, go for addition. If it is a plus, go for subtraction. Now for students, to help the students, I am explaining how to write that elements. On the side, write down that operation to make it practice. After when you are perfect, write it directly. This is what R2 dash. So that means what you are changing? Now you are changing the second row. Then what about the first row? So keep the first row as it is. First write down the first row as it is on both the sides. It is 1, 2 is equal to. First row is 1, 0. Keep A as it is. Now I am writing the operation. See here. R2. R2. First element. What is first element? Minus 2. Middle plus. And 2. Remember exactly on the top we have to see the elements present in the row. Exactly on the top which element is present? 1. And simplify, it will be 0. Then in this minus 2 place what you are writing? You are writing 0. Then go for the next. Here in the second row, check that. We have to take all the elements from second row. Second row element is 1. Plus these 2 as it is, it's exact on the top the corresponding element is 2. What is that? That is 5. So here we have to write 5. Then come to the right side. Here it is, element is 0. In this operation we have to write 0 plus 2. Exactly on the top the corresponding element is 1. So what is your answer? Your answer is 2. So this answer is 2. Then come to the next. Here R2 element is 1 plus 2 into exactly on the top we have 0. Then what is your answer? Your answer is 1. Now here we got 1. See 1. Then next element is 0. What is the next step then? The next step is like this. We have to move to this element. That means in place of 5, we have to make it 1. In place of 5, we have to make it 1. And remember one thing, if possible, write it on the side. When you are converting a number into 1, so here we are applying a multiplication. Remember, when you are converting the number into 1, go for multiplication. And what multiplication? Whatever is the number is present, multiply by its reciprocal. Multiply by its reciprocal. Then what is the reciprocal of 5? 1 by 5. So and 5 is also present in second row. So second row each element is multiplied with 1 by 5. And see, there is no change in first row. Keep the first row as it is. Now each number is multiplied with 1 by 5. 0 into 1 by 5 is 0. 5 into 1 by 5 is 1. Then 2 into 1 by 5 is 2 by 5. 1 into 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. This we have to write for support. This is a method. So keep A, go on writing A as it is. Now compare these two. When you compare these two, what you are observing? We converted 1, 0, 1. Then what is left? 0. And when you are converting 0, either go for addition or subtraction depending on the problem. Here 2. In place of 2, we have to write a 0. For make it a 0, either we have to go for addition or subtraction. That is one step. In the next one, see 2 is present in which row? Underline that. Which row? Why row? We are applying row operation. 2 is present in the first row. That means what you are changing? We are changing first row. First row means R1 dash. The dash tells you you are changing. And which row you are changing? Write down that row first. After that, here it is plus 2. That means what we have to write? We have to write minus 2. The same number with opposite sign. We have to multiply the same number with opposite sign with row 2. Why row 2? Because we are changing row 1. Now it is row 2. So what you are changing? You are changing first row. Keep the second row elements as it is. Again, to make you perfect, I am giving you all the steps one by one. So for students, I am explaining this side because I know how to write and I am perfect. But for students, I am writing the operation here and I am explaining each and every step. Here, this is the operation we are writing. That means you are writing the first row elements one by one. First row element is 1 and minus 2. Exact corresponding element of next row is 0. What will be your answer? 1. Move to the next. 2 minus 2. And what is the exact corresponding element? 1. That is 0. And coming to here, R1 is 1 minus this 2 as it is. Exactly below the corresponding elements is 2 by 5. So take the LCM. 1 minus 4 by 5. That will be 1 by 5. And moving to the next. What is the next? 0. This 2 as it is. Corresponding element is 1 by 5. So it is minus 2 by 5. Now substitute all the 4 values one by one. First value is 1. Then 0. And what about this? This is 1 by 5. This is minus 2 by 5. When you get the left side as a unit matrix, then on the right side, you know that you are already familiar. Any matrix with its inverse gives identity. Then which one is the inverse? This is the inverse. Thus, A inverse is equal to 1 by 5 minus 2 by 5 and this is 2 by 5 and this will be 1 by 5. If you solve all the 3 steps for 3 marks, definitely you will get the marks, full marks 3. And see, somewhere if you are not following the steps, you don't worry. I will explain again 2-3 examples. I will make you perfect. Then only I will leave. Then I will moving to the next step. Now students, can we move to the second example? Now at least now take the paper and pen. So along with me, go on writing. I will explain each and every step very slowly. So you can write. Now first, what is the first step? Let us take the given matrix. Give the name for that. This is the given matrix. So as I told you, first I will make you perfect in row operation, elementary row operation. See, for elementary row operation. So what we have to write? At least you remember the first step. A is equal to I into A. On right side A as it is. On left side write down that A value. Then write down the identity matrix. So after writing this, on the side for your reference write down like this. 1 0 0 1. This is the identity matrix. It helps you in which way we have to move. We have to move in this direction, remember. And when you observe these two, what the difference you are finding? When you observe these two, here in place of 1 we have a 2. In place of 1 we have a 2, but exactly below we have 1. Mark, note down this step. Now what I am doing? Yes, anyone, can you tell me what you are doing? We are interchanging the first and the second row. All second row elements we have to write in first row on both the sides. That is very important. Note on that. We have to write all the second row elements in the first row elements in the second. Yes. Now which one you converted? You converted this element. Is here, see you got 1 or what? Yes, one step is over. Then what is the next? We have to make it 2 as a 0. See here. In this direction only you have to move, then there is no mistake. So how you convert 2 as a 0? As I told you, if you are converting in the form of 0, either go for addition or subtraction. So before that, first see 2 is present in which row? 2 is present in second row. So write down R2 dash. And where you are changing, first one be that one, that is R2. And here plus 2, then what we have to write? Minus. The same number we have multiply here. Minus 2 R1. I think now you are getting, little bit you are getting. So on this side, again I will explain all the steps for calculations. Write down that steps. R2 minus 2 into R1. Write down the elements one by one. First 2. R2 is 2 minus 2. Exactly on the top, the corresponding element 1. So what it is? 0. Then move to the next. 1 minus 2 on the top 1. That is minus 1. Then move to the next. 1 minus 2 exactly on the top 0. What is left? 1. Move to the next. 0 minus 2 exactly on the top 1. What is answer? Minus 2. Now after calculating, write down that elements. Then tell me where you are writing these elements. In first row or second row? Yes, we have to write it in the second row. Then what about the first row? First row elements we have to keep as it is. Now write down that calculated numbers. First one is 0, then it is minus 1, then it is 1, then it is minus 2. Now again after writing, compare these two. Yes. So which elements we converted? We got 1, we got 0. Now we have to convert this. In place of 1, what we have? Minus 1. As I told you, when you are converting into 1, go for multiplication. Multiplication of its reciprocal. How you convert minus 1 into plus 1? Yes. As you know that we have to multiply each number by minus 1 because minus 1 into minus 1 is plus. R2 dash is minus 1 into R2. Reciprocal of this is minus 1. Now multiply each number by minus 1. Of what? Of second row. So it is minus 1. This is plus. Now, so again compare 1, yes 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. What is the next? In place of, here we want 0. In place of 1 we want 0. So here 1, here 1. As I know that if you just go on subtraction, R1 dash, because here this 1 is present in first row. R1 minus R2, no need to multiply because direct subtraction gives you the 0. All the elements of first row. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 minus into, because here already minus, this minus. Minus into minus plus. 1. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Second row elements as it is. See, now is it in the identity matrix or what? Thus, A inverse is 1 minus 1 minus 1, 2. I think the students you are following. Don't worry, again I will explain 2-3 examples. Now I am giving you the third example. So already you are familiar. Let us take this as matrix A. And remember, no need to take only A. You can take B also. 1, 2, 3, 7. For elementary row operation, so what you are writing? We are writing A is equal to I into A. Write down matrix A on left side. It is 1, 2, 3, 7. After that, on the right side, write down my identity matrix 1 0 0 1 and keep A as it is. And as I told you, after writing these values A and I, for reference, write down the identity matrix here and write down in which order we are moving. We are moving in this direction. First 1, then 0, then 1, then 0. So here already we have a 1. No need to convert. Then for 0, yes, for 0 what you are doing? Either go for addition or subtraction. And because of this is a row operation, see 3, because here we want a 0 means we have to convert 3. 3 is present in which row? 3 is present in second row. That means you are changing second row. So which one you are changing? Write down first as it is. 3 has which sign? Plus. So what you are writing? Minus. The same number is multiplied for the corresponding row. That is minus 3 R1. Now can you write the elements, whatever the elements you are getting in second row? I am writing the first row elements as it is. 1, 2, 1, 0 on both the sides. Now go for the calculation of second row. Write down on the side, write down that condition. See the condition, R2 minus 3 into R1. First one, R2, 3 minus 3. Its corresponding element 1. So it is 0. Next, R2 minus 3. Its corresponding element 2. So answer is 1. And here R2 0 minus 3, R1 is 1, that is minus 3. Next, moving to the fourth one, 1 minus 3 into 0, it will be 1. Now write down that values. What are that values? This is 0, 1 minus 3, 1. See students, here it is 1, here it is 0. Already this also we got 1 in the one step. That means if the students, you are getting these type of examples in the exam, you are very lucky because within 2 operations you will get the answer. 1, 0, 1. The only conversion is 2. So 2 is present in which row then? It is present in first row. And 2 has a which sign? Plus. So what you are using then? Minus. So write on that. R1, 2 is present in R1. R1 dash is R1 minus 2 into R2. So second row elements as it is. Second row elements are 0, 1 and on left side minus 3, 1. Keep A as it is. And before writing, just write on the operation here. If you are perfect in calculations, go on writing the values directly. So some students, they are not perfect, so practice it like this. R1. What is R1? R1 is 1. 1 minus 2 into 0. 1 minus 2 into 0 is 1. Then move to the next one. 2 minus 2 into 1. That is 0. This is first one, this is the second one. Move to this. It is R1, 1 minus 2. What is the corresponding element? Minus 3. So simplify this, it is 7. Come to the next. 0. R1 is 0 minus 2 into 1. What it is? Minus 2. Then where you are writing? We are writing in first row. 1, 0 and it is 7 minus 2. So after that, compare these two. See, are they equal or what? That means we got identity matrix on left side. Then what is the inverse? Thus A inverse is equal to 7 minus 2 minus 3, 1. See students, if you are getting these type of examples, you are very lucky. Because for 3 marks, you have to write only 2 steps. This is the first step and this is the second one. So you are very lucky if you get these type of examples in the examination. Moving to the fourth example. So in the same way we are solving it. Let us write down this matrix as a E. After writing this, for you know that for elementary row operation, we have to write A is equal to I into A. So what you are doing? We are substituting A value. Then after that on the right side we are writing identity matrix and we are keeping A as it is. After that for our reference we have to write on the side like this. And because that helps you to, after moving which step, so which one follows, we have to move in this direction. So here in place of 1 we have a 2. Then how you convert this to? Already I told you. When you are going for 1, we have to multiply its reciprocal. So what is it? Reciprocal of 2? Reciprocal of 2 is 1 by 2. And 2 is present in which row? It is present in first row. That is R1 dash is 1 by 2 into R1. Each number is multiplied with 1 by 2. Write down that. 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. And on the right side, 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. This will be 0. After that, keep the second row elements as it is because we are not doing any changes in that. See here, we got 1. The next is what? 0. To make it 0, what you are doing? We are going for either addition or subtraction depending on the problem. So see, 5 is present in which row? It is present in second row. Then the operation will be like this. R2 dash because 5 is present in second row. So first we have to write R2. 5 has which sign? Plus. Write it minus. And write the same number. Same number is multiplied with corresponding row. That is R1. So this is the operation. Second row elements we are changing. Keep the first row elements on both the sides as it is. It is 1, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. And if you are perfect, write it directly. Otherwise, on the side, write down that operation. So what is R2 first element? 5. Minus this 5 as it is. On exactly above top we have 1. That is 0. This will be 0. Moving to the next. 7 minus 5 into 3 by 2. It is 7 minus 15 by 2. When you take the LCM, it is like this. Then what it is? Minus 1 by 2. This element will be minus 1 by 2. Moving to right side. 0. Third one. 0 minus 5. Corresponding elements on the top. 1 by 2. Your answer will be minus 5 by 2. Then coming to the next. 1 minus 5 into top element is 0. That is 1. This A as it is. So we converted 1, we converted 0. The next one is what? 1. That means we have to convert minus half as 1. What is the reciprocal of minus half? Yes, minus 2. Each element of second row is multiplied with minus 2. Keep first row as it is on both the sides. Now each element of second row is multiplied with minus 2. 0, this is 1 and minus 2, minus into minus becomes plus, 2 get cancels, 5 and this is minus 2 and A as it is. See, now convert, the compare. 1, yes, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Here it is 0, but what we have? We have 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is present in which row? First row. Then you are changing first row. So you are changing first row means the first element will be R1. And which sign we have? Plus, right? Minus. The same number we have to multiply here. Minus 3 by 2 and it is R2. So keep the second row elements as it is. And on this side go for calculations. So for that calculation write that operation. What you are writing? R1 minus 3 by 2 into R2. Write down 1 by 1. 1 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 into 0 is 1. Here first element is 1. Moving to the here. 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 1, that is 0. So this element will be 0. Moving to the next. 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 into 5. So it is 1 minus 15 by 2. Minus 14 by 2 will be minus 7. What is this element? Minus 7. Then moving to the next. 0 minus 3 by 2 minus 2. This is get cancels. Minus into minus plus. See, is it identity matrix or what? If it is identity matrix, here you know that any matrix with its inverse gives identity. Therefore, inverse is minus 7, 3, 5, minus 2. I think all the students, you are getting the steps. So please do it slowly. I know that you will be perfect in this method.